So people often ask me what I put on ToXiC to keep it looking so shiny and new. Well, generally dust, gravel, bits of wood chip, but every now and then I give it some love. And I use Penetrol. And I have a pretty technical way of going about this. Basically I put rubber gloves on so I don't get it all over my hands. Ripped ones is best. And then I get whatever cloth I can find lying around, and I tip some of that onto there and smear it all around. And that's it. Instruction over.